You searched how to buy shares of Gruppo MutuiOnline S.p.A, and this video walks through the practical steps. Gruppo MutuiOnline is an Italian online mortgage and loan marketplace listed on CBOE EU under the ticker MOL.MI. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MOL.MI to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry that corresponds to Gruppo MutuiOnline S.p.A. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Double-check company details and the MOL.MI ticker before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may wait to execute when trading reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once executed, and you can monitor it there. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform.